Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia classic espresso machine. This machine was brought here because it was not pumping water and also because the gasket was in bad condition. But for this machine, we pretty much replaced the water pump, and since it was in really bad condition, it definitely needed a tune-up. And as you can see here, this is the old shower gasket, and just for comparison, let me just get a new one. This is how a new one looks. As you can see, this one definitely needed to be replaced. It's completely clogged up. The shower head as well was in really bad condition. As you can see, it's pretty bad. That's the shower head in there, and after a good cleanup, this is the shower head. You can definitely see it's pretty much completely covered with coffee, so we definitely clean it as well, replace everything, replace the gasket. The gasket here, as you can see, it definitely what needed to be replaced. So right now, this is how it looks in there, and we're gonna test the machine. We descaled this machine. That was one of the main issues. One of the pipes was completely clogged and it was not letting any water into the boiler, so that's the main reason no water was coming out, and pretty much that the pump failed. So let's just do one shot of coffee before testing the steamer and the hot water. Hopefully I got the grind correctly, and we can definitely see a good shot. A little bit more coarser, but it's pretty good. Good water flow. Good water flow, looking good. And now let's test the steamer. Hot water is gonna take a little bit since it needs to build some pressure. So we're just gonna make a little space in here. You can see it's building up some pressure in there. It needs a little bit more. Since this is only a single boiler machine and it takes a little while to actually heat up. But as you can see, the descale that we did actually held the machine really well, and you can see a bunch of steam coming out. And it's working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.